Good morning, kids. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to study Chapter 10 Alexander the Great. Before that, look at the five pictures given below and answer the questions orally. Samrat Ashoka, Maharana Pratap, Rani of Jhansi, Emperor Akbar, and Arjun. My kids, who all are they? These all are great warriors. And what are the two things that are common? That they are brave and courageous, and they are great emperors also. And how many of them are historical characters? All of them are historical characters. My kids, we all have studied that in our country there was a king rule, and every king wanted to expand their empire. And due to this reason, one king used to fight with another king. So let's study about Alexander the Great. Alexander, the king of Macedonia, was a great general. He conquered Greece and Persia. Alexander the Great was a king of Macedonia, and he was a great general. And what he did, he conquered means captured, Greece and Persia. And he was very ambitious. Ambitious means determined, aspired for success, who wanted success in his life, who was too much determined, and always wanted a big empire. As I have just told you, that every king wanted their empire to be big, and due to this reason, they used to invade. Invade means conquer another's empire, and they fight with their king. Now, what happened? And he invaded India. Puru was the king of northern India. He was famous for his bravery and courage. There was another king, his name was Puru. He was the king of northern India, and he was famous for his bravery and courage. His huge army, he led his huge army to fight against Alexander. Alexander's army was very small. Now, my kids, there was a battle between Puru and Alexander. Alexander wanted to capture northern India. An army of the Alexander was very small, and Puro's army was huge. A fierce battle then ensued. Not what happened. A fierce means a frightful battle then happened. Ensued means to happen, and fierce means frightful. That we call Bhayankar in Hindi. When his soldiers saw the holders of Indian foot soldiers and majestic elephants, they became a little nervous. Now, my kids, when Alexander's army saw that Puro's army had a huge elephants, they were little nervous. Alexander, however, was not afraid. Though Alexander's army was nervous, but Alexander was not afraid. He fled them bravely, and deadly battle was fought. And they were fighting very badly, very bravely, and there was a deadly battle. A huge battle was fought between Puru and Alexander. Puru's elephant proved no match for Alexander's horse. As we know, runs very fast, and Puru's elephants proved no match means in the compatibility of horses, they were very low. They were swift and raced like wind, and the horses were running so fast like a wind that they moved in the center of the Puro's army. They broke the right, middle, and left flanks of the Puro's army. They broke the and injured the Puro's army and penetrated to the center and moved towards the center of the Puro's army. Elephants took fright and ran wild. Now, seeing the Alexander's horse, elephants were quite frightened, means scared, and they ran wild. They were very angry. By evening, there was a utter confusion on the battlefield. By evening, battle was still continuing, and everyone was so confused that they were not getting what would be the result. Alexander will win or Puro, because they were fighting with their utmost capabilities. Puro, however, continued to fight bravely. As I have told you, Puro's elephants were a little frightened, but Puro continued to fight. He was badly wounded, but with the flowing blood from his wounds, he killed hundreds of Alexander's soldiers. Now here in the battle, Puro was badly wounded. Wounded means घायल हो जाना, and blood was coming from his wounds. He killed after that also. He killed hundreds of Alexander's soldiers. See how much brave Puro is. At last he was fainted and was taken captive. At last Puro was fainted. Fainted means बेहोश हो जाना, and was taken captive मतलब taken prisoner मतलब कैद कर लेना. Late in the evening, Alexander sat in his tent. Some of his generals were with him. In the evening, Alexander was sitting in his tent with his generals, means उसके लोगों के साथ. I have never seen a warrior like Puru, he said. Alexander was talking to his generals and saying, I have never seen a warrior like Puru. Why is calling warrior? Though he was wounded, he was being injured, still he continued to fight and killed hundreds of soldiers of Alexander. And what he said? He asked his soldiers to bring Puru to his tent. Then he asked his soldiers, bring Puro to my tent. Puro entered the tent with his hand tied in the chains. You can see in the picture also. Puro was tied with chains in his hands. Remove the chains at once, Alexander ordered his soldiers. Alexander said, just remove these chains from his hands. Puro is not an ordinary prisoner. He said, Puro is not an ordinary prisoner. He is a king and a great soldier. Alexander was praising him. Why he was praising him? Before his bravery and courage. He said he is not an ordinary prisoner. वो एक ordinary कैदी नहीं है. He is a king and a great soldier too. He looked into the Puro's eyes and realized he was a proud soldier and a proud Indian. Now Alexander looked into the Puro's eyes and realized that he is a proud soldier and proud Indian too. How should I treat you? He asked him. Alexander said, How should I treat you? मैं आपके साथ कैसा treat करूं? As one king should treat another, Replied Puro replied very smartly that one king should treat another. जैसे एक राजा दूसरे राजा को treat करता है. You are a brave man, Puro, said Alexander. Now Alexander said, You are brave. I want you to be my friend. Now Alexander is moving his hand of friendship and he wants Puro to be his friend. I'll be your friend only on one condition, said Puro. Puro is reflecting his condition. He's saying that I can be your friend only on one condition. What is that? Asked Alexander. My kingdom should remain independent and you should treat me as your equal. Now, Puro said that you will not invade my empire or kingdom and my kingdom should remain independent. कि आप मेरे kingdom को कभी भी capture नहीं करोगे. It should remain independent, free from you, and secondly, you should treat me equal as you are. कि आप मुझे equal treat करोगे. Done, said Alexander. Alexander accepted his condition. I am proud to be your friend. Alexander said that I am proud to be your friend. Puro said, I'll do my best to be worthy of friendship of Alexander the Great. Puro said, I'll do my best. मैं अपनी तरफ से पूरी loyalty दिखाऊंगा towards my friendship. I'll not break up your expectations. Worthy means live up to the expectations. I hope the chapter is clear to you. Kids, you have seen in the chapter, in the beginning of the chapter, Puro and Alexander were leading a great battle between both of them. But at last, Alexander and Puro became friends. I hope the chapter is clear to you. If you face any query, you can ask me. Thank you.